Hi guys, so welcome again. I'm so glad to announce that Grind has been officially monetized on YouTube. So in the spirit of the whole celebration and the excitement, we are also going to be launching our new series to teach business owners and consultants how to get monetized on YouTube. So this is something that is very, very unique. So we're not just teaching you how to get monetized as a person, but as a business. Now, I'm going to tell you one exciting thing about Grind, our experience on YouTube. Now, we've actually been making money that is getting paid through YouTube even before we became monetized. So this is one of the beautiful things of starting a YouTube channel as a business owner or as a consultant. So in this particular series, I'm going to be breaking down a lot to teach you how to get monetized or how to monetize your business or how to monetize whatever you do on YouTube. Okay, and one of the key things is structure, especially if you want to get monetized before getting AdSense. As a business owner or as a corporate brand or as a consultant, especially when you're starting out newly, you want to focus more on talking about things that are popular, which means keywords or things people are actively searching on YouTube. In a clear sense, discuss about topics with high traffics on YouTube or on Google search and other search engines. So this will help you grow your YouTube channel on YouTube as a business owner or as a corporate brand or as a consultant. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because I have a lot to share with you. Our experience being monetized on YouTube was so amazing, okay? So I'm going to break this down step by step in other videos that will follow under this series or under this playlist. Yeah, we're going to create a specific playlist for this to help you get relevant updates. I want to share something with you guys also. Do you know that when we became monetized, our channel got approved within 24 hours? So this is a lot of exciting thing you want to hear. You want to would like us to share with you because believe us, we tried our best to get it right on YouTube and to avoid issues. One of the things that will help you to get successful is listening to people's advice, listen to people's success story, and also listen to people's failed story or even sad story, because that is just one of the best ways for you to avoid issues or having regrets in life generally, not just on YouTube. So I want you to understand that by watching this video, you're in the right step to get successful on YouTube. All right, guys, so I want to stop here and I'll see you in our next video. Bye for now. Cheers.